gonna get close.
At least they're taking the time.
Yeah, really.
Oh, good. Steve's here.
Okay, is everybody present? Okay, good. Alright, now we can break
Ooh,
it.
fucking hell.
Wow.
Just made it out.
Yo.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you were really coming in. Oh shit.
Shit.
Hey, you don't move. I'll shoot.
Come on.
Okay, so here's the dumb thing.
I can't.
So,
It's in the air.
you can obviously decide not to cut off your finger if you want to. If you don't, however, that cop will shoot at Ethan and shoot off his pinky.
The girl who went in.
Oh, so he ends up
Everybody
losing a finger
downstairs.
anyway.
Yeah.
In the alley. Follow them.
Oh.
The subway.
Yeah. Want a foot long?
No, you fucking idiot. Excuse me. Pardon me.
Please don't run us over. It's like, hey, we're walking here. Whew, okay.
Wow.
That was
No, we're not done yet, though. We're not fucking done.
Oh god damn it.
We're still not done.
A freaking course.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
Hi, crowds.
No! He has his finger cut off, and now the, oh my
Gotta
god.
keep going.
Fucking dead weight here.
Jesus.
Okay, here we go. Don't waste fucking time on
I
cutscenes.
know, that's why it's like, dude, just close your eyes and let her guide you through it.
She got you. You're fine.
Yeah.
Jason!
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 What the fuck are you doing? Shut up!
Jason!
Okay,
Like,
where'd those two run off to?
Oh, I see.
Jason! There it is! Get him!
Careful.
Excuse me, pardon me, come through.
God damn it, watch where you're going, motherfucker.
Ah! Ow.
Hey, watch it, man.
Oh wow. Are you
Right
serious?
fucking
Oh,
behind
okay.
me.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay, whatever train comes in next, we're okay, never mind.
It's gonna hit us.
Oh no. Oh yep. Oh god, there it goes. Go, go, go.
no one else is here to help them?
Oh!
We gotta get on that train.
I think,
Yes, there we go.
Okay, I think I'm home
It's
free.
our only chance.
I think I'm home free. I think. Yep, I'm good.
Okay.
I made it.
Ooh, yeah.
Got away.
Whew. Okay. Okay.
Whew, okay.
Wow. Look at all those still models just getting in
Because
place.
here's the thing. Ethan can get caught during that scene. Like, Madison will bail on him if they get too close.
Really?
And he will get taken to jail. Or at least, he'll get taken to the station. And there will be a whole... So I pretty much just skipped an entire scene. Because I got him out.
We heard from
Nice.
police who have identified the man thought to be
Fugitive.
the origami
Shit.
killer. Ethan Mars, father of the kidnapped victim Sean Mars, is on the run and should be considered armed and dangerous.
How?
Manhunt is now underway, and they hope that they will
like, oh, for
soon be able
God's
to announce
sake.
the apprehension.
Oh yeah, armed and dangerous. He has his freaking pinky cut off. Are
They
you
don't
kidding
know
me?
that.
Oh, God. Well, I know, but I'm just saying, in general, it's like, okay, come on.
But yeah, pretty much
I
that
brought
entire
some food.
cutscene that we skipped, like,
You know what you like.
the scene pretty much consists, like, yeah, where, Ethan's, like, handcuffed in the interrogation room. Blake's beating the shit out of him, of course.
No,
But Jaden does not think that he's the origami killer. He just doesn't believe it, and ends up and he helps him escape.
Okay.
Like he hides them in like a police raincoat and just tells him to walk and
Every
just
cop
go
in the
find
country
your
will be
son.
hunting you.
Like I'll
They
focus
say you're the
on trying to find the
origami
real guy.
killer.
Jaden's super cool.
He is.
Is it true? Are you the killer, Ethan?
What kind? What? Right. Oh fuck.
Fuck you.
God damn it. I thought I pressed circle.
You're too late. Shit.
There has to be a rational explanation for this. Let me help you, Ethan.
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times where I don't know what I'm doing. As if I'm someone completely different. The only thing I remember afterwards is the bodies. The bodies in the water.
Why are you hurt, Ethan? Why were you in that apartment?
I think my other self is testing my love
It
for
sucks
Sean.
though, because now even
He wants to
Ethan's
know if
convinced
I
that he's the
love
killer.
my son
God,
enough to save him.
God damn it! Because like
That
he
means
doesn't know what's going on during those
part of me
blackouts.
that knows where Sean is. But the only way to find him is to go through these trials.
Why can't you tell that to the police?
And tell them what? That I'm a schizophrenic who drowns his victims and has kidnapped his own son? They'd never let me go, and I have to stay free to save Sean. I have no choice. I'm his only chance. When Sean is out of danger, I'll turn myself in, but not until then.
You can't keep going like this. You're destroying yourself, Ethan.
I'm pretty much already destroyed.
Yeah. Emotionally, mentally, physically, all the above.
There has to be another way.
You don't understand. Time is running out. Sean will be dead in a few hours. I have no choice. Please, Madison, leave. Forget everything that's happened. There is nothing more you can do for me.
Okay.
Well, I mean, unless if I, lose
you
another
wanna help
finger
me,
or get hurt, then I'll
leave.
probably need you again.
Leave me to do this
Yeah.
on my own.
No worries, I'll have you on speed dial.
What's your number? This poor fucking asshole. Like,
God.
I miss already.
Okay, alright, well, I guess now I need a... Okay, oh, my back, hold on.
yeah, I should sit down for a second.
Yeah, okay.
Seriously, broken ribs, this scarred up fucking body.
Cut off finger, getting electrocuted, shards of glass on my arms.
That's the finger is the one he's especially sore about.
Yes.
Like that one was personal.
Yeah, listen,
I'll never be a hand model now.
I have the sexiest hand ever, and now it's like, okay. Alright, I'm done mourning. Alright, anyway. Alright.
Back to the box.
Back to the box. Okay.
Trial 4.
Oh my god.
What's it
God
gonna,
damn it.
what's it gonna be? I know what it is, but
Yeah, of course you do.
are you prepared to kill to save your son?
Brad Silver, 6784 Longway Road, Lexington. Kill him, send a picture, get your reward. Oh my fucking god.
That's what
We're gonna-
is for.
We're suddenly it turned from Heavy Rain to Hitman.
Or Hotline Miami.
So are you prepared to save one life that means nothing to you to save another that means everything to you?
Wait, save.
What?
Prepared to kill one life that means
Take one life that means nothing to you
You
to
said
save another
No,
that means
yeah,
everything.
yeah, that's what he said.
Anyway,
Take
Jaden.
one life to save another.
No, I
Alright, Jaden's turn.
Whoops.
Wow, you suck at piano, Jaden. Yeah, you're playing the piano, Russell. Come on.
No,
that wasn't me.
no, to be fair, I still have the controller in my hands. My bad.
I know. Come on, Russell, strut your stuff. What's he playing, by the way? say up there? Piano concert. Okay.
That's just random.
Wow, that's quite the name.
Well, I mean, for all we know, it could just be like some original song from the game.
He has a butler.
Your vodka, sir.
Oh, hell yeah.
Are you ready to get smacked?
Oh,
You're preoccupied.
oh, you know it, George.
Problems with the investigation?
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
His name is Harry.
That's
Harry. Oh, okay.
I saw his name tag. His name is Harry.
Yeah. You saw his name by getting right up and close and personal to the
can't see
TV.
this father
Well,
drowning
it's high def enough to see it.
kidnapping his
So.
own
Yeah.
child. Mars is not the origami killer. I'd stake my life on it.
Fuck yeah, Jaden.
Then who is?
I haven't the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should
Maybe
leave
Blake,
the
because
evidence
he's
in
a
your possession.
complete jerk off.
That's just what I was thinking of doing.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Very,
I'm trying to keep an eye
very
on it, but-
dangerous.
That's difficult. It gets more and more difficult.
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate, sir.
Very unfortunate, sir.
Well, I'll leave you to your vodka, sir, while you take the investigation over.
Get the fuck out, Woodhouse.
You drown your sorrows away, sir.
Meanwhile, on Mars.
I get it.
Ethan Mars. Alright, let's find some stuff.
Well. Looks like there's something new. Video
Oh.
recording from near the park on the afternoon showing Mars disappeared. I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know.
You'd think that park in general would have surveillance.
A Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park, when in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared. Could it be the killer's car?
Maybe.
Oh, really?
No data.
Interesting.
Pity we can't see the driver's face.
Nah, that'd be too easy.
Of course it would.
Oh, of course it will put tinted windows on his vehicle.
Let's analyze.
The car was stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped. Not enough evidence.
Ah. Okay, well, that answers that question.
Maybe the geolocation can tell us something else.
Nope.
Or not.
Damn it.
Nope. You did get a new clue, though.
You're right. Oh, no, this way.
There we are.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack, involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car. It's a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
Oh, put your hand back on the controller, Russell.
Uh-oh.
Just a fair warning.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
thanks.
Oh! What the hell?
Nosebleed?
No, it's...
Oh, dear.
No, it's more than just a nosebleed.
You should be careful not to.
No, my trees!
All the leaves!
Very dangerous.
Doing it.
Shit, it's coming. Trypticane. The tube is on the bedside table. All I need is to take some, and the pain will go away. I should resist. This is gonna kill me. I know I can resist. I just need to stay in control and do something until it goes away.
Yeah, not today.
No drugs for you.
Oh,
No, get him. No, just get him to the bathroom. Get him to the bathroom. Just like before. No, don't leave. Don't leave. Whoa!
Not trying. Not today.
oh God, I look miserable.
Needs lots of water.
Ugh.
No.
I need a shower.
What the hell? Hey, no!
Oh God. Oh no. Ooh. Maybe if I stick my head in the toilet. Okay.
Just stick my face in the toilet.
Oh hey, there we go. There's a shower.
There you go. He's safe.
Whew.
Jaden is safe.
Jason!
No, Jason's dead. Jaden is safe.
Oh.
Whew. Okay.
Whoa.
This is my good suit too.